your own style easily. Add new, totally awesome items to your collection of unique accessories. In this project, we'll show how to make funny felt hair clips. Let's make an ice cream cone-shaped clamp first. We'll need felt of pink and tangerine colors, pink tulle, cardstock, ribbon, outliner fabric paint, and a metal clip back. Draw a template on cardboard. Outline a cone with a slightly rounded top. Place the cutout on tangerine felt and trace. Cut out the outline. Make a pink felt square. Hot glue it to the cone. Cut down the corners. Hot glue tulle, crumpling it up in your hands to make a cloud-shaped topping. Cut off the excess. Add hot glue to the tulle and the pink felt. Attach the pink topping to the ice cream. Imitate a waffle pattern using brown outliner paint. Hot glue a ribbon to shape 2 curls. Cut off the excess. Attach the detail to the back side of the cone. Attach a clip back. This blended ice cream cone with a fine pink topping can be worn as a brooch as well as a hair clamp. Let's make another hair accessory in a shape of an amusing blue owl. We'll need cardboard, felt of chocolate and blue colors, polka dot ribbon, a clip back, and 2 white buttons. Take a piece of cardstock. Draw a stylized owl head shaped template. Cut it out. Place the template on the blue felt and trace. Cut it out. Fasten off the thread a bit beyond the edge. Sew around the outline with a running stitch. Try to make the seam even to look neat. Add button eyes. Sew them down with the same thread. Make the stitch horizontal to imitate short-sighted owl eyes. Fasten off the thread on the back side. Cut it off. Stitch the second eye in the same way. Cut out a small chocolate felt triangle for a beak. Add 2 oval legs. Attach the legs to the back side. Make a ribbon curl. Cut off the excess. Make another curl the wrong side out. Place the details crisscross. Attach the cross detail to the back side of the owl. Use a hot glue gun. Attach a clip back on top of the ribbons. This amusing blue owl will decorate your hairstyle and cheer you up on a rainy day. Now, let's make one more funny hair clamp shaped as a cheerful jellyfish. We'll need cardboard, felt of coral color, ribbons, an alligator clip back, and outliner fabric paints. Draw a cup bulb shaped template on cardboard. Cut it out. Trace on coral felt. Cut it out. Take a needle with red thread. Sew across the edge. Cut off the excess thread. We've got a jellyfish base. Take wavy ribbons of pink and purple colors. Cut them out into equal parts. Attach to the back side of the jellyfish. Alternate the pink and purple ribbons. Take thin satin ribbons. Cut off 2 pieces of the same length. Hot glue the end to form a loop. Make another of the same pale pink detail. Attach both loops to the back side of the clamp. Take outliner paints. Outline a nose, eyes, and eyelashes black. Make rosy cheeks with a coral outliner. Decorate the face with blue dots on top and yellow drops on the bottom. Attach an alligator clip as a finishing touch. The cute coral jellyfish will match the amusing blue owl to decorate hair braids. If you feel sad, just wear these funny felt hair clamps and be in a good mood all day long. Today, we'll make a stylish wide belt from thick gray felt and black velvet ribbon. We'll need thick gray felt, tailor's chalk, tape measure, sharp scissors, and a black velvet ribbon. Draw a 3-inch wide strip. The length is your waist circumference reduced by 1 inch. Cut out with the scissors. Mark off the middle of the belt. Draw a line at 1/2 inch from the upper edge. Repeat for the other edge. Set down 1/2 inch from each line and draw 2 more lines. Measure out 1 inch to each side from the middle point. Then, mark off 2 inches to the right until there is about 1.5 inches up to the end. Repeat for the other side and between the lower lines. The number of marks must be even. Now, fold the belt across the length. Carefully make cuts on the marks. Now we need 2 pieces of the velvet ribbon. Double your waist measurement to get the needed length. Melt the ends with a lighter. Pass the ribbon through the cuts starting with the front side. The end of the ribbon should pass through the last cut onto the front side. Repeat for the second ribbon. Shake off the chalk from the inside with a felt cloth to keep your outfit clean. Tie a bow as a finishing touch. It won't take much time to make this belt, though it looks smart. In this tutorial, we'll share a couple of awesome felt jewelry making ideas. Let's make a felt necklace in cool shades first. Take a piece of felt and cut out 1/2-inch strips of various length. Make several of the same details of other colors. Hot glue the ends of a felt strip to shape a loop. Continue sticking the rest of the details in the same way. Let's attach all the felt details to form a necklace. Hot glue the loops one by one, alternating size and color. Align the elements to look neat. Fasten extra big loops in the middle for the necklace to keep shape. Attach a chain to the back side. Cover the attachment place with a strip of dark felt. Cut off the excess. Add hot glue to the chain to attach the felt strip. Cut off the excess. Put 2 jump rings on the end chain links. Attach a lobster clasp. The stylish bib necklace will perfectly complete your outfit. Let's realize the second of our jewelry ideas. Draw a base template. Cut it out. Place it on thick gray felt and trace. Cut it out. We'll need rainbow color felt for the base decoration. Cut out 2 to 3 triangles of different size from felt of each color. Place the details on the base to look harmonious. Hot glue the elements. Attach a flat cord to the back side at both ends. Cover the attachment places with felt triangles. Cut the cord in the middle and tie knots at the ends. Make a bow as a finishing touch. This gorgeous necklace will emphasize your individuality even if you wear a casual outfit. Use these interesting felt jewelry making ideas and get splendid unusual necklaces to wear every day or on special occasions. In this tutorial, we'll show how to make a smart flower felt brooch decorated with beads. We'll need felt of chocolate, brown, ochre, and gray colors, beads, brown seed beads, a metal brooch pin back, embellishments, metal charms, bead caps and supply pins, and white seed beads. Cut out an inch-wide strip from the ochre felt. Hot glue the middle and fold along. Add hot glue to the end and roll up. You'll get a stylized rose. Make chocolate and brown flowers in the same way. Hot glue all 3 elements to form a spray. Cut out a small felt square and attach to the back side of the brooch. Cut off the excess. Add a drop of hot glue to the center of the light flower. Add dark seed beads to the flower core and press over until dry. Embellish the other roses in the same way using light seed beads. Cut out a leaf shape from the gray felt. Hot glue the center and join the edges to make the leaf volumetric. Make a round element in the same way. Add hot glue to the gray details and attach them to the back side of the brooch. Decorate the spray with beads. Attach with hot glue. Thread a bead cap and a big bead on a supply pin. Hot glue the pin end and tuck it between the flowers. Add charms and embellishments. Fasten the pin back to wear the brooch as a finishing touch. Add hot glue and attach the detail. Let's look at our brooch. Cool! This smart spray brooch will match your casual outfit and add delicate glamour to your image. Feel free to comment, give your thumbs up if you liked the craft. Join us on social networks. Subscribe to our channel to make the latest uploaded accessories quickly and easily.